Hey friends, Scott Smith with the Smithy McKellar-Williams. Wanted to introduce you to our awesome new listing at 326 Brimhall in Macalester-Groveland area of St. Paul. This is an awesome neighborhood right by Macalester College, close to all the shops and restaurants in Highland Park, Macalester-Groveland, everything that's this area has to offer. So let's go take a look. All right, here we are inside 326 Brimhall. You'll notice all the awesome crown molding, vintage patina on all the woodwork, hardwood floors, a gas fireplace. Look at this cool light. I mean, you just don't see that in any new house. So this is just an awesome, smaller, quaint, typical St. Paul house. Let's go take a look at the dining room. So again, 326 Brimhall, awesome space, hardwood floors, crown molding, great space, great natural light. One of the things that you also find in this house that a lot of homes that don't have or have the hot water heat is a mini split for the air conditioning. So it's not central air, but it is awesome. A lot more energy efficient. Let's go take a look at the kitchen. Look at this awesome kitchen at 326 Brimhall. Stainless steel appliances, 5-burner gas range, updated kitchen, beadboard ceiling. It's got all the charm and character that you would want. The entire house is freshly painted from floor to ceiling. Looks fantastic. Love to see it here. So one of the other great features of 326 Brimhall is the large bedrooms. This bedroom is actually 21 feet long. It's got double closets. Again, great crown molding, awesome character with the woodwork. And both of the upstairs bedrooms have mini splits, so great central airflow. So in the summertime, it's nice and cool for you. Beautiful hardwood floors. Hope you enjoy it. All right, here's one of the other awesome features of 326 Brimhall. It's got this upper level sunroom with original beadboard ceilings, awesome natural light. You're overlooking the treetops, the beautiful backyard. What a great space for a home office, just a reading nook, or even just a great spot just to have a morning coffee. Here we are in the backyard at 326 Brimhall. Not your typical St. Paul backyard. It's got an awesome deck, great patio, just a great spot to enjoy the outdoors. Also, there's an oversized 2-car garage for that off-street parking. In the winters, that's going to be awesome. If this is a house you'd like to take a look at or you know of anyone, certainly reach out to us, 651-777-3434. Give us a call today. We'd get you in for a showing. Thanks.